Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts part 2 standard 12. Third chapter, that's called company's final account, is going on, and the last part we have already reached till few more illustrations and few more exercise. In the last part it is left that I want to complete one by one. Which chapter is going on, and on the basis of this chapter, what is there, what is not there, from top to bottom, all this idea you have to have. Then only it will be easy for you to understand or to solve any type of questions. This chapter actually overall what you are having, that you have to know. This chapter is telling how, in which way, or what is the method, or what is the procedure, or what is the systematic way to write the balance sheets and the statement of profit and loss account. Balance sheet what you wrote in the 11th standard, it is not like that way. Systematic way, which one will come first, which one will come next, which one will come next, like that way, both the liability side as well as the asset sides, according to the Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013, that we have to follow. So what we have to learn from this chapter, overall idea, how to write the balance sheets. Balance sheets means both the sides, liability sides as well as the asset sides. And I told several times, the page number 126 and page number 127, liability sides total 9 items, one by one you have to remember. The main heading, under the main heading, subheading whatever coming, total subheading is coming, liability side balance sheet 9 and asset side total 11, 9 plus 11, 20. This is one part. And another part, you have to know how to write the profit and loss statement. For writing the profit and loss statement, you are having total, I wrote it here, the statement of profit and loss for the year ending, so whatever the date is coming, that you write it. Here also, for the year ending 31st, whatever the date is coming. Then this is the main format for the profit and loss statement. Here I have put the number, you have seen that one. So total 9 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these 9 are classified into two parts. One is we are going to tell you the profit and loss statement. Profit and loss statement means generally whenever you have done the any statement profit and loss account, just that you keep in mind, trading account credit sides and profit and loss account credit side. These two are the total income. If you merge the trading account and profit and loss account together, then two incomes you will get. One is trading account credit side and another is the profit and loss account credit side. So whatever you have wrote it here, these two if you add, you will get total income. That is there. Revenue from operations, that is trading account credit sides, and others income, that is called profit and loss account credit sides. Generally, this is trading credit and this is profit and loss account credit. So total income you are getting the total revenue, that is 1 plus 2, which whatever it is coming, that you are writing, that is total income. Now we have to write the total expense. And total expense again we wrote in the elevation that trading account debit side and profit and loss account debit side. Same thing, trading account debit side and profit and loss account debit side, that what you wrote, that is classified into 7, 1 into 7, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 9 plus 20 is equal to 29. This 29 rating you have to remember, and order you have to remember. That's all, nothing else. And whatever the question is coming, just we will write it in this format. First we will write it After that, which amount you are not getting. Suppose direct expense it is not there in your question, so put it there. Suppose which is there, then you write the amount and write the final amount there, then find out the profit. Profit all of you know, total income minus total expense is equal to profit. The profit whatever you will get, that profit is called profit before tax. And after that you deduct the tax, whatever the tax will be given in your questions, and you will get the profit after tax. According to your textbook, page number 150, page number 150, first I will teach you the question number 7. Then I will come back the question number 8. This is I have drawn or I have written for the question number 8. But before that, question number 7 I want to explain it. Take your textbook in your hand and follow it, which is there, which is not there, what is given, what is not given. Page 150, question number 7. Under which head will you show the following balances in the statement of profit and loss as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013? This is amount is not given. They are telling it will come under the which head or subhead. That is, first you have to read that how many are there, total 14s are there. All these 14s, where it will go, that only you have to remember. Sales is the income, salary is the expense, depreciation is the loss, bad debt recovered is the income, debenture interest is the expense, audit fees expense, incomes from scrap is the income, profit on sales of assets is also income, advertisement expense is the expense, contribution to the provident fund is the expense, interest on bank overdraft also expense, bank charges also expense, bonus to the employee also expense, debenture discount written off also one type of expense or loss. But only this much is not enough to know income or expense. Under the expense or under the income, it will come under the which heading, that only you have to remember, which I wrote it here. Sales, it will come revenue from operations, that is sales. Salary is the expense, but it will come employees benefit expense, there it will come the salary. Depreciation and amortizations, it will come under number 8. Bad debt recovered is your others income, it will come number 2. Bad debt recovered number 2. Then what is called debenture interest, financial cost or financial expense, that is 7. Audit fees is your expense. Which expense? Others expense. These also some way are there, how you remember. Generally this is coming on trading account debit side and profit loss account debit side. See, this is trading account debit side, this is also changes in stock opening minus closing. This is trading account debit side, remaining all profit and loss account debit sides. Others income, profit loss account debit side, employees benefit, there is salary, bonus, contribution to the provident fund, financial cost, interest if you have taken loan from any financial institutions, the interest, depreciation which is coming for the fixed assets, that is write off, goodwill, depreciation. Baki remaining all will come under the others expense. So up to where I told you, audit fees, others expense, income from scrap, that is your income. Number 2. Others income. Then profit on sales of assets, also others income. Profit on sales of assets. Then advertisement expense. Advertisement expense it will come the direct others expense. Advertisement expense it will come the others expense. Contribution to the provident fund, employees benefit expense, because provident fund you are giving to the employee. Interest on bank overdraft. Interest on bank overdraft, this is called interest on bank overdraft, financial cost. That is number 7. Then bank charges, others expense. bank charges, other expense also, or you can write the financial cost also. Bonus to the employee, that is called employee's benefit expense. Bonus to the employee. And debenture discount written off. Debenture discount written off. This is all written off. It will come under this number 8. Like that way, now one practical sums of the next page, page number 151. That I want to do it in front of you. That is 8 number 8 questions. Once again I want to tell you, this chapter is very easy. Only the heading, main heading and sub-heading, 29 sub-headings are there. Under this sub-heading, whatever it is coming, that also it is given in page number 126, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. This much only you read. The whole chapter it will be covered by you. Now, page number 151 of question number 8. Following balance are taken from the books of Part-8 Limited. Prepare the statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st/3/2017 as per the Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. What is given? The following balance are taken from the books of Part-8 Limited. You have to prepare the statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st/3/17 and 31st/3/17. So this is your right. Here 31st/3/17. This is also 31st/3/17. Here you see total you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here in your book it is 8 is there. Matlab total amount 8 amounts are there. But here you are having total 9. That means out of that one place you have to put the dash where the amount is not given. Let me see what is given, what is not given. Though it is 9 is there, but this 9 is not the last one. Provision for tax on profit or is 30%. That you should not consider. That is the last one. The provision for tax is covered number या नहीं है. क्या क्या दिया? Number 1, sale of scrap. It is your income. What type of income? Others income. Cost of material consumed. What is this? This is called purchase. Salary. Salary is called employee benefit expense. Interest paid. That is financial expense. Sales. Revenue from sales. Changing in stock of the financial finished goods. That is already given. Change in stock. Office and administration expense. Others expense. Depreciations and amortizations, that already you have seen that one. Is not it? Office and others expenses is 15,600 others expense. And depreciations and amortizations, it is there. And provision for tax. What you have to do? Once you are writing the format, now I have to write the amount. Nothing else, the whole sum will be completed. We will start from the stock. Sale of scrap. We will write it here. The sale of scrap is your others income. So here I wrote it here. The others income. Here I will write it sale of scrap. Sale of scrap. How much? Sale of scrap. That is number 2. How much amount? Sale of scrap is 10,500. 10,500. Plus, next is coming cost of material consumed. Cost of material consumed is purchase. Here you write cost of material consumed. How much? 1,87,500. 1,87,500. Correct? So, what we have to do, I have already made the stage. Just only you have to write it. Salary, employees benefit expense, 78. Salary, employees benefit expense, 78,000. Interest paid, financial expense. Interest paid, financial expense. How much? It is 9,000. Interest paid 9,000. Sales 3,81,000. Here it is 7. Barabar? Financial cost what is given? Interest paid. Here it is interest paid. Sales 381. 3,81 is the sales. Already it is written. Sales is here. Changes in stock of finished goods. Changes in stock already it is written. So no need to write here. Even you can write here. Finished goods. How much? Changes in stock of the finished goods 12,000. Next, office and administration expense. That is others expense. Here you write office and administration expense. Office and administration expense. How much is coming? Office and administration expense 15,600. 15,600. Correct? Next is coming depreciation. Depreciation it is given. Depreciation and amortization. If you do not write, no problem. How much amount is coming? That is called 84,000. Bas, that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One place direct expense where wages or other things which is not given, that we put it in a dash. So direct expense is not there. Now what to do? You have to add it the total income. Total income if you add, you will get 391,500. And total expense if you add, you will get 386. 386,100. And if you deduct these two, you will get 5,400. 5,400 what? That is called profit before tax. And tax is given how much percentage? 30%. 30% of this is come 1620. This is 30% tax. If you deduct, and you will get the profit 3780. This is your profit which is after tax. This is the things, nothing is given. Very easy way. I will suggest to you one thing, that is better if you write this format. Some of the books or maybe some of them are telling you that only you write this one. You will get little confusions. Better you write this format, and according to against this format you write the expense name, and against that you write the amount, and you will get the final amount, which is the answer for you. Do you understand what I said? Still now what I taught, every illustration as well as every exercise you might have seen that not a single illustration or exercise it was not given the trading the statement of profit and loss account as well as the balance sheet together. Now separate you got it. Now you will get a sum where you will get the both the things. One is the statement of profit and loss account as well as the balance sheet. Like that one more sum I want to do it. Let us do one more sum from your exercise. And this is the most important sums. The question number, page number 151, which I wrote, question number 9 and question number 10. Question number 9 and question number 10 from your exercise, and illustration number 14 from your textbook. These three questions you will get full idea from your full chapter. Means you have to do the two things. Still now what I taught, the separate things we taught. One we taught the statement of profit and loss, that is in income and expense. Another sums we have done the balance sheets, that is liability and assets. Now we will do a sum where we will get from top to bottom this all. Here few things you have to remember. Some of the amount both the places here also will come, here also will come. That you have to remember. Like that, provision for taxations, provision for tax, or it will come profit. What are the profit will come from here? That will go with here reserve and surplus. रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस में एक प्रॉफिट यहाँ से ट्रांसफर होगा. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, चेंजिंग स्टॉक, here closing stock will come, opening minus closing, that also will come here, closing stock. So these 2 or 3 items are there that you have to keep in mind, where it will, the result of this will go there, or that some of the figures also will come here. Page number 151, the question number 9, most important. Very carefully you pay attention. Let me read what it is given. Following is the balance sheets of KU Limited as on 31st/3/17. The debit and credit items it is given. Equity shares capitals, office and sales expense. From there I can understand the equity share capital is the liability and office and sales expense it is coming of the loss statement. So this is combined sums for the profit loss statement as well as the balance sheets. Purchase 10% debenture, sales, software, wages, debenture interest, salary, bank overdraft, land and building, opening stock, discount receipts, debtors, and other information just like the adjustment it is given. Closing stock of rupees 42,000, and number 2, make a provision for tax 50% on the net profit. From the above information, prepare the final account of the company for the year ended 31st March 2017 as per the Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Notes to the accounts are not required. Now let me explain which one will go where. Equity share capital's liability, that is will come here by maintaining shareholders fund. This is shareholders fund. I have forgotten to write, for that I wrote it here. That is number 1, shareholders fund. Purchase, you know, it is given. Purchase is here. 10% debenture, balance sheet liability. Sales, profit and loss statement sales. Software is your intangible assets. Wages is your direct expense. Here wages will come. Debenture interest is your expense, financial expense. Salary expense, employees benefit expense. Bank overdraft, financial expense. Land and building is your fixed assets. Here, opening stock, that already you have seen it here. Opening stock minus closing stock which is coming, change in stock. Discount receipts, others income, and debtors, it is there. So which one will go where? There you will write the amount. So your question will be solved. So let me write one by one from the top to bottom. Equity shares capital 2,24,000. I know that one equity shares capital I already kept the base 2,40,000. Next is coming office and sales expense 24,000. Office and sales expense is coming here 24,000. Others expense here. That is coming 24,000. Next purchase, already it is given the place. Purchase 4,26,000. 4,26,000. Next 10% debenture is 1,20,000. 10% debenture 1,20,000 is here. 1,20,000. Long term loans में आता है 10% debenture 1,20,000. Next sales 9,60,000. Sales is given. It is here 9,60,000. Software 1,20,000. Software where it will go? Software will go intangible assets. Software is here. Software intangible assets 1,20,000. Wages direct expense. Where it is given direct expense 24,000. Debenture interest 12%. Financial expense. Debenture interest 12,000. Salary 3 lakh. Where to go? There. Employees benefit expense 3 lakh. Bank overdraft 14,400. Bank overdraft 14,400. Employees financial cost. Bank overdraft is here 14,400. 14,400 bank overdraft is here 14,400. It is one type of loan, not the expense. Interest and bank overdraft will come, but bank overdraft will come in here 14,400. Land and building 2,28,000. Here is given 2,28,000 is the land and building. Opening stock, it is given 36,000 and closing stock it is given 42,000. So 36 opening stock or 42 closing stock. So here changing stock 36,000 minus 42,000. How much you are getting? 6,000 minus closing stock is more. You understand? 6,000 is minus. For that, some of the books they have done this together. Here, in case of 4,26,000, they wrote 4,20,000 because purchase plus opening minus closing together, this result is coming 4,20,000. But I wrote separately. 4,26,000 is the purchase and 6,000 minus is the closing stock. Opening minus closing. Now, discount receipts 15,600. This is your other income. 15,600 is the discount receipts. And debtors 1,80,000. It is given 1,80,000. That's all. This is the things which I want to tell you. You have to write like that way. This is page. Once again, let me check it whether I have done proper way or not. That is the number 10. 9,96, 1,15,600. Then this is 24 is the direct expense 2 times. 4 times 3 lakhs. 12, 24. Okay. Then everything you got it. Now the here total income if you add from these books I want to write is 9,75,000 is your total income. And total expense if you write, you will get 7,80,000. And if you deduct it, then you will get total expense is 7,80,000 and you will get that result 1,95,000. 1,95,000. This is 600 is here. 1,95,600. This is the profit before tax. And tax is given how much in your questions? 50%. See, in the adjustment it is given 50% tax. 50% of this which come in 97,800. And you will get the profit, the 97,800 profit after tax. So once again keep in mind, this two is the income and this is the expense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you add, then deduct this 6,000, you will get 7,80,000 and this minus this is coming 1,95,000, 50% tax, you are getting 97,800. Now I have told the few things are there where you have to write the two places. Here you see 2,40,000 plus result and surplus. This is called the profit which is coming. This is called one type of result and surplus. Result and surplus 97,800 will come here. 97,800. This is called the profit which you are getting 97,800. And provision for tax. Here one place is there. Provision for tax. This amount is going. This amount also is going, and this amount also will go. Keep in mind these three places where we wrote. This is the profit and reserve and surplus हो जाएगा. This is provision for tax 97,800. Provision for tax it will go, and closing stock that is 42,000. That also will come in here. So there are three places where I want to mark it. That is 1, 2, and 3, which is coming from profit and loss statement. Now let me check it. 2,40,000, 97,800. That is come 3, 7, 8, 0. 3,37,800. Next is coming 1,20,000. This is 1,20,000 is the direct which going, and this is 14,400 and 97,000. This two is coming 1,12,200. If you add it, you will get 5,70,000. Is your total liabilities. And total assets, if you add these two, you will get, that is 3,48,000. 3,48,000, and these two, if you add, you will get 2,32,000. And if you add, this should come 5,70,000. Understood? So, where the students are doing mistake that I want to repeat. From this profit and loss statement, generally the closing stock, tax, and reserve and surplus. Profit means reserve and surplus. So reserve and surplus in your balance sheet it is not given, even to a price, because this will come from profit and loss statement, and this also will come from profit and loss statement. This and closing stock it is not given, even to your price here. Closing stock also will come here. If you add it, this is coming 3,48,000, and this is coming 2,22,000. Yes, 5,70,000. So 5,70,000 is your total liability and 5,70,000 is your total assets. Like this question you make practice. I think the illustrations as well as the exercise. This is one exercise I have done. Like that one illustration is there, that is called last illustration, illustration number 14. And this 9th one, exercise question number 9, page number 151, question number 9, you read twice and make practice 2 more times, so you can understand in which way you have to do. And the things what I told you, the certain place what I told that that may not be given in these questions. So of course it is not possible because profit will come from here. So that 3 will come from this statement that we have to write it in the balance sheets. Hope you are understanding. Even though if you do not understand, you can call me or you can send your any doubt through WhatsApp. Okay, bye.